These 36 questions can make a person fall in love with you as they trigger an emotional connection and empathy. They can be performed to create intimacy, favoring seduction. They are divided into 3 parts, from the most superficial questions to the most profound. First part. If you could choose anyone in the world, who would you want as a dinner guest? Would you like to be famous? Which way? Before making a phone call, do you usually rehearse what you are going to say? Why? What constitutes a perfect day for you? If you lived to be 90 years old and could choose between keeping the body or the mind of your 30s for the last 60 years of your life, which would you choose? When was the last time you sang alone? And for someone else? Do you have any premonitions about how you are going to die? Name 3 things that you and your partner seem to have in common. What are you most grateful for in your life? If you could change one thing about the way you were raised, what would it be? Tell your partner, in 4 minutes, the story of your life in as much detail as possible. If you could wake up tomorrow with a new quality or ability, what would it be? Second part. If a crystal ball could reveal the truth about you, your life, your future, or anything else, what would you want to know? Is there something you have dreamed of doing for a long time? Why haven't you done it yet? What is the greatest achievement of your life? What do you value most in a friendship? What is your most precious memory? What is your most terrible memory? If you knew that in a year you would die suddenly, would you change anything about the way you live now? Why? Are you enjoying the video? Please give us a thumbs up, because it helps us a lot. Thank you. What does friendship mean to you? What role do love and affection play in your life? Alternating answers, say 5 things that you consider to be positive characteristics of your partner. Mention a total of 5 characteristics. How close and affectionate is your family? Do you feel that your childhood was happier than other people's? How do you feel about your relationship with your mother? Third part. Make 3 statements each, using true facts and both in the same sentence. For example, we are both in this room feeling. Complete the sentence, I wish I had someone to share with. If you were to become close friends with your partner, share what would be important for him or her to know. Tell your partner what you like about him or her. Be very honest this time. Say things you wouldn't say to someone you just met. Share with your partner an embarrassing moment in your life. When was the last time you cried in front of another person and alone? Tell your partner something you already like about him or her. What do you take too seriously, if anything, that you should never laugh about? If you died tonight without having the opportunity to communicate with anyone, what would you regret not saying? Why haven't you told that person yet? Your house, with everything you have, burns down. After saving all the people and animals, you have time for one last lap, safely, to save any other objects. What could it be? Why? Of all the people in your family, which death would you find most devastating? Share a personal problem and ask your partner for advice on how you would handle it. Also ask your partner to describe her impression of how she seems to feel when she talks about the chosen problem. Remember that each question like this can become a topic to deepen. You don't have to ask all the questions at once, you can ask them while you get to know the person, sharing your views as well. Focus on the positive and make the person use her imagination, bringing positive feelings, the path opens more easily. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more life worth thoughts.